16 minutes. I reduced the 20 to 16. To clean my wooden surface, I use this pledge. The next thing, I'm going to clear what the African in me has been holding. Hello good people, today is a vlog. I want to see if I didn't have to go to work, how my day would be like. To clean my wooden surface, I use this pledge. It's a furniture polish. All this one here. Actually, I've just realized these two are polishes. They are not cleaners. So clearly, I don't have a cleaner for my wooden surfaces. And also, I use serviette. It's less hectic to use serviettes because they are disposable. For my bathroom wall, I'm going to use Astonish extra strength molded mildew stain plaster. So just spray it. When you're using it or when you're cleaning with it, you wear gloves and a mask to protect yourself. It's a bit strong. Yeah. For the toilet, I use Harpic, the one which is blue in color. It's the one which gives me the best results. After using Harpic, I also like adding some Vim. It's an all-purpose cleaner. You can see it cleans the toilet and other surfaces. It actually helps in brightening, so that's why I'm going to add it. So the toilet is soft. For the bathroom, I mix water with a portion of Ariel Downy and my dishwashing liquid. I said this is my multi-purpose product, so you don't add a lot. This Ariel is getting on my nerves because when you're pouring, it doesn't have control. So I don't know what Ariel can do to improve on that. Yeah, so that, and then we're going to add some Jik. That's the this one, I don't know who wronged them because their lid always comes out, so I don't even need to open. It can come out through there. And then once I scrub, I'm going to add the Vim. The Vim helps in brighten. You can see like my tiles are white, so they need to stay white. The next thing, I'm going to clear what the African in me has been holding. We have this, it's empty. This one is empty. This is the new one. Yeah, so that one stays. This is the empty one. So we throw it away. Then the packaging. Then we have what else? These are the other things. This is the old one. You see it's completely empty. I think this is the new one. Yeah, so this is the new one. So all this is for my baby hair, and these ones I have now finished. I am a proud African. I'm happy to have finished everything. So now all this goes to the bin. You can see even the package was here. I am actually tempted to open this and see if there's anything inside, but I think I'll let them go. For glass surfaces, this is what I use. And I have these gloves. They are long. Yeah, they are rubber. That is why they can be able to serve me well. They protect my nails as well as my hands. So let's get to work. For the sink, I use my dishwashing liquid detergent and a super bright. And jig if it is stained. The next thing I want to prepare is lunch, and today we are cooking chapati. And the reason I'm cooking chapati at this time is because someone special is coming. So and she wanted me to make chapati. So that's why it's on the menu. And nowadays I put the flour first, then salt, then my seasoning. I'm using cardamoms and vanilla essence. I put everything together because the next thing that comes in is water. So I'll mix everything together. And then we're going to add water. You can add any other thing that you have. I've seen people prepare, and I'm using cold water, by the way. Nobody should tell you that delicious chapatis are made of hot water. It's a lie. It's a lie. You can still use cold water and still get the outcome. My neighbor's chicken is not allowing me to prosper, but at least it feeds me with eggs, so it's fine. Yeah, so I'll prepare the mixture offline. I think I've shared a previous whole video on how to prepare. Yeah, so I'll link it down below in case you missed. So the dough is ready, so I'm just going to cover it. I've also removed the chicken from the freezer because that will be our stew. You all know I love chapatis with cabbage, so cabbage will still come up at some point, but this is for the others. So the next thing, we are going to prepare the chicken. I wanted to do it offline, but I said let me just share with you. And I'm not going to do much seasoning, so I just slice them like this so that the seasoning can get in, like that. Okay. I'll do that for all of them. For the chicken, we are only going to season with salt, garlic, and paprika. And that's all. No other seasoning, nothing else. So I just mixed. So then I'm mixing all of them. I don't have time to wait for them to marinate for long, so it will marinate as it cooks. Yeah. If you have time, you can leave it for like 2 hours or overnight. Ensure you have put in the seasoning. Nowadays I put parchment paper underneath, then I put my grill to protect my cooker from the excessive oil and all. So we have to oil the bottom so that it does not stick. I'm just using my basting set. Then oopsie, then add the chicken. Okay, then spread some oil on the chicken so that you can actually do it individually, so that they also cook well. We are now ready to put it in the air fryer and set the timing. We can cook at 200 and then for 20 minutes first. No, I'm reducing instead of increasing. Yeah, so 200 degrees for 20 minutes. After 16 minutes, I reduced the 20 to 16. That's what we have. So you're going to turn it the other side so that it can cook the other side. While at it, if you're still watching, kindly subscribe. If you haven't, if you have subscribed, we appreciate you. We value your continued support. Yes, and if you have feedback, let us know. Tell us what you think about the vlogs, the standalone videos like recipes and all, so that we can know what to incorporate in the upcoming content. So let's put it back for another 15 minutes. I reduced the temperature to 180, so we are going to do 18 minutes. We're going to do 180 degrees at 15 minutes. So I've made some chapatis. The recipe, I will put it down below. Then the chicken, after cooking in the air fryer, I've decided to make it curry. So I've just grinded a mix of green, red and yellow bell peppers to make the curry, and that will be it. So it's in the evening, the chicken is finished, so I have to have a quick fix, and this is what we are having. These carrots, I'll prepare them with green peas. I am not putting any seasoning, just salt, and then I add this mixture. The mixture here is paprika, red, green, yellow, and a tomato, and that's all for the meal. We have some remaining cabbages, so we will add to the meal, and of course we have cooked the remaining chapatis. They are here. I don't want to open them again. Yes, so we are set for dinner. Respect to stay-at-home moms. A day in the life of a stay-at-home is a whole job. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on the next one. Bye.